Persons with disabilities must not face any discrimination in their pursuit of judicial service recruitments. This is what the Supreme Court today said while striking down a rule of Madhya Pradesh Judicial Services rules to the extent it barred visually impaired and low vision candidates from judicial service. The Supreme Court took up this case after the mother of a visually impaired candidate wrote a letter to the former Chief Justice of India challenging the exclusion of visually impaired candidates from the Civil Judge Class 2 exam in Madhya Pradesh. The court treated that letter as a petition under Article 32 of the Constitution and issued notices to MP High Court, the state and union government. During the hearing, senior advocate Gaurav Agarwal, the amicus curiae in this case, had highlighted that Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act mandates reservations for persons with disabilities, including judicial officers, and Madhya Pradesh's 2017 rules provide for 6% reservation. He had also cited an expert committee's findings that visually impaired individuals can effectively perform judicial duties. A bench of Justices J.B. Pardiwala and R. Madhavan delivered the judgment today in the suo motu case concerning Rule 6A of the MP Services Examination, Recruitment and Conditions of Services Rules 1994. The court has struck down the part of Rule 7 that required PWD candidates to either have 3 years of legal practice or secure 70% marks in a single attempt. The court has upheld the rule's educational qualifications and the 70% minimum aggregate requirement, but removed the restriction that it must be achieved in the first attempt or be accompanied by 3 years of practice. PWD candidates who participated in the selection process are now eligible for judicial service selection under this ruling and can be appointed to vacant posts if they meet the other criteria. The court said that no person can be denied consideration for recruitment in the judicial service solely on account of their physical disabilities. The court held that the state must provide them affirmative action to ensure an inclusive framework. Importantly, this judgment authored by Justice Mahadevan stated that right-based approach necessitated that persons with disabilities must not face any discrimination in the pursuit of judicial service opportunities.